Here we are testing Chamberlain's belt drive garage door opener. This took me about a full weekend to install, although I imagine somebody that's more accustomed to these sorts of installations could do so in just a few hours. I want to make sure that anybody that has concrete walls that they'll be putting their garage door opener in buys concrete screws. Those do not come with the Chamberlain. I'm going to record the sound and opening sequence now. As you can see, it's fairly quiet, though it's difficult to tell the absolute volume since you don't know exactly how loud the surrounding environment is, but it's fairly quiet. So one feature of this Chamberlain unit is that it has a battery backup in case power fails. Let's test that out. I'm going to unplug it right now. Alright. I am now opening the garage door without power. You notice it's opening a little bit more slowly on a battery, but that's completely understandable. The fact that it's opening at all is a relief. I've never actually tested this before now. I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in. Oh, speed's right back up. Note that the temperatures are rather frigid cold so that the battery operates even at low temperature. Winters are not a concern. Thank you.